are making fake blood today.
Yep, it's our first Halloween video I think we've done, so yeah. I sort of need to go to the toilet, so yeah.
Hi!
Everyone. Yes, well, this is one of our Halloween specials. And
It is.
It is our Halloween special.
It is our Halloween video.
Our first
We're
one.
going to teach you
We're
how
going to teach you how to make edible blood. No, not edible
Fake
blood, but
blood.
Fake blood.
fake but incredibly delicious blood.
Yes.
It's delish.
I think so.
It's delicious.
You have to try it out.
Well,
We will love it or we will die. Yay.
Oh my gosh, this is so violent.
We haven't tested this before, so we don't
this
know
is
if it actually
literally-
works.
Yeah, I've never
First
tried
try.
it.
So
I've never
if
tested
we
it.
die, this is your fault.
If we die, this is your fault.
Okay, so we need to do a disclaimer. So this is actually glycerine, guys, which means